It's Simpol time and this is Chef Tato and today gagawa tayo ng isang simple version ng no-bake macaroni. Are you ready? Let's start cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha.
Today magluluto tayo no-bake macaroni na sinubukan kong i-simplify pero medyo gourmet pa rin yung lasa. Very special yung dating ng ating baked macaroni today. So we start, no? So I'm just going to saute my garlic and my onions. I will also saute 1/2 cup of carrots. So ito siya, pangbata pa rin to pero you know, we're trying to incorporate a little bit of vegetables para mas maging healthy yung ating version today. I have red bell peppers. Yan, isa lang na red bell pepper for pimiento flavor. Of course, I will season that with salt. And I will add my giniling ground beef. Yan. You can also use ground pork. But I'm using ground beef today from Fresh Options, of course. I will add a little bit of dried herbs, like a tablespoon of basil, dried basil. It's optional. If you don't want to add, you don't have to. Yan. Once the beef is cooked, I will add 3 cups of chicken stock, or you can just use water. So, I'm using chicken stock here. And I will let that boil, okay? And my pot is boiling. And what I will do now, I will just add my macaroni noodles. Diba? So sigurado tayo, as our noodles cook, it has absorbed all the flavor. I'll just stir my pasta noodles. Cover the lid. In the meantime, while waiting for our pasta to cook, I will also start on the sauce. I have here 1/2 cup of butter. Yan. And I add 1/2 cup of flour. Yeah. So, I just mash it together and combine to make like a paste. Ito, very simple, di ba? Na-combine na siya, look at that. 2 cups of cream, cooking cream. I will add 1 cup or isang buong bar ng quick melt cheese. I will add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic para may garlicky flavor ako. I will just cook until my cheese is melted. I'll check on my pasta. Bakit hindi ko sinabay yung aking tomato sauce is because the tomato sauce is very thick, di ba? If I put my tomato sauce now, mas matagal maluto yung aking pasta because hindi madaling ma-absorb yung thick liquid. So, I'm just cooking the pasta halfway with our stock, and I will add the tomato sauce halfway through para sigurado akong maluluto talaga yung aking pasta, aking macaroni. Yan. And our sauce is also, you know, warming up beautifully. Yan. Then, unti-unti na rin natutunaw yung ating cheese. You can also use evaporated milk for this. And, look at that, my pasta is almost there. It's absorbed all the stock. And now, I add my hot dogs. Pwede mo ding igisa yung hot dogs. Pero hindi ko na siya ginisa. It's up to you. And now, I will add 500 grams of spaghetti sauce. And we let that cook until the pasta is done. Just that simmer. Konti na lang yan. 5 minutes more, maluluto na yung aking pasta. And my sauce is there. The cheese is melted. What I will do, sobrang simple rather than doing the bechamel, I'm just going to add this mixture, this paste of butter and flour. No? Just add 2 tablespoons of it. And I stir. Dapat malasa yung ating cheese sauce, of course. Who would have thought na may sistema pa na mas madali gumawa ng bechamel. Yan. Let that sit. And our pasta is almost done. Tingnan natin. Look at that. Konting in lang siya. Do you want it to be cheesier? I want it to be cheesier. Kaya lalagyan ko siya ng half a cup of grated cheese. And remember, may natira tayo ditong konting, you know, yung butter and flour mixture. Yan. Just put it there. And it's very thick. Immediately, it's very thick. Look at that. And I will just pour it over. Yan. Mahirap ba? Parang sobrang easy ng ating recipe. Sobrang easy ng ating technique, no? 400 grams of pasta, 1/4 kilo of meat. And I just pour my cheese sauce on top. Very rich cheese sauce. Look at that. Fine, no? It's my spatula. And of course, hindi siya mahirap gawin. If you want to bake it, you can bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. Kaya here it is, our simple version of no-bake macaroni. Try it at home and tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!